Cap. That's insane, demon.
You find an insane demon?
This does not feel like a fucking top 5 IDL. I mean, I don't know. It's not that difficult. It's just shit. So it's hard for me to judge. If this is artificial climb difficulty, I think artificial climb is extreme demon.
Yeah.
Even though that took less time.
How long did that take?
Like 2 hours.
And you've been at this for like what, an hour and a half? Ish? You started, yeah. No, like,
Also, I beat
yeah, no,
it.
an hour and a half. Oh, GG, okay. So you've played for like an hour and a half. GG, good.
Yeah, it's like, I think this is easier than artificial climb.
Fair enough.